Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I will show you how we can use this PnP SPFx site breadcrumb control. That's a React control. We'll use it, and in this particular example I have created an application customizer. So in the previous videos you must have been seen how you can create an application customizer. So basically you need to select the extension and then you can select the application customizer from the options. If you are not sure, just check out the previous video. I'm not going to cover that part. So once you create the application customizer, why application customizer? Because we want to get the placeholder. The breadcrumb or the site breadcrumb will appear in the top, so there it will appear. So that's the reason we are creating the application customizer, so that we can get the top placeholder and within that we can display our breadcrumb. That is the intention of this. Okay, anyway, this is a small example, but still. Now if we will look at this is a application customizer example. You can see here, if I will open the .ts file, even in fact I have explained in the previous videos that how we can get the top placeholder. So in this case, if you'll see here, we are getting the top placeholder here. You can see the top placeholder. And once we have this, then in the context we are getting the context because we require the context here. And if I will open the .tsx file, you can see here import site breadcrumb, and here this is the breadcrumb. So little simple one. So just you need to add the site breadcrumb, and then the context you pass it this .props.context, and then there is a class style.breadcrumb. So if I'll open the module.css file, you can see there is a class where there is a background color and padding is there. So just a simple CSS I have added. And since this one is about how to display the breadcrumb in application customizer, so for the application customizer we need to provide a page URL where you want this will appear. For example, in this case, if you look at this, I have added a test page here from my Office 365 site. You can see here this SPFx is a modern site, and I have created a modern web part page here. Now on this we can run our gulp shop, so it will open that page and you can see the functionality there. So if I will just open here, I will run gulp shop, and you can see here it will now open that page. So any page you will give, that it will open. So click over here, load debug script. So you can see here we added it, and this is the breadcrumb that we are talking about. You can see here SPFx, then site page is coming. There is a background, light color background is coming, right? So that's coming from the CSS. Now if I will give let's say any URL which is for example, let me just open the other browser. Let's say I want to give this share documents URL. So if I'll copy this and I'll go here, I just change it. Let me just stop this one. So what I'll do here is I will change it. Let me just copy the URL again. So you can see here I put this URL here and this URL here. So we will run again the gulp serve. So once we run it, it will now open this page. You can see here I will say load debug script. You will see here the breadcrumb is coming, the site, and then the page. So this is how we can create or we can use this site breadcrumb. And again, since this if you want to deploy it, let's say you want this to appear in all the pages, so you have to deploy it. So you can run the commands, which the package commands, which I already explained. And once you have it, then you can see here under SharePoint you have the breadcrumb.sppkg file. So it will create the package file, and then you can upload it into your tenant catalog or your site collection app catalog, and then you can add it. Once you add, this breadcrumb will appear in all the pages. This is again a PnP SPFx control React. You can see here it explained here how we can use it. You have to import it, and then this is how we can use it. Pretty simple parameters are there on this. this is how we can use it. So I'll put this solution, and you can just run npm I and then npm the react command, so that you'll add it, which will install the PnP SPFx. So if I will just show you the command, you can see here npm I PnP SPFx controls react. So once you install that, both these commands, then you can just come to the serve.json file, and then here you provide the folder URL or modern page URL, anything. So then you can run your gulp serve, and you will be able to see this small example, but I thought I'll add into the course. Thank you. We'll see some other examples as well.